Hi friends, let me show you this new tissue holder that I got for my car. It's aimed to go in the visor, as you can see. We are going to test it, and you get these tissue refills to use them in the car. Let me show you. Okay. You always need tissue in your car. Let me show you my old tissue box in my car. As you can see, it's not a good idea to bring this kind of boxes here. So, what I'm going to do is install this one here. Okay. This way, I will still have my mirror available, and whenever I need a tissue, I have them here. Really, really useful. If you don't want to have them in the same visor as you are going to be driving, you could have them in this visor. So you can still get the tissue like this and be ready for the road, okay? Perfect.